Hi, my name is Stelian Postea from Infront Consulting Group, and the following is a presentation about the EMC Isilon Management Pack. The Management Pack is featuring discovery and monitoring for EMC Isilon 1FS NAS cluster components. The Management Pack is designed and tested to work with System Center Operations Manager 2012 SP1 or R2 and the Isilon 1FS 7.0 or later version. SNMP version 1 or 2 is used for discovering the initial discovery of Isilon 1FS cluster nodes. Let's go over the required configuration for the Management Pack operations. First of all, you will need the community string account, and you will need to define also a discovery rule, like I have it here, for the cluster nodes that you are about to monitor. And you must make sure that you are successfully discovering the network devices. After importing the Management Pack, you will notice a new Run As profile introduced, the one highlighted here. This must be associated with the Unix Linux account that will provide access to the 1FS CLI. Next thing to do is to license the Management Pack. For this, you have to select Object Discoveries and scope down to EMC Isilon cluster node. Then select the scripted discovery and do an override for all objects of class EMC Isilon cluster node helper. And enter your license key and save in an overrides Management Pack. With all this configuration in place, you will have soon the cluster nodes fully discovered with all the properties that are shown in the screen here. And you will have also all the subcomponents of the cluster node discovered as well, like disks, power supplies, RAM, and processor. You can use Health Explorer for one of the cluster nodes to check what monitoring is made available by the Management Pack. In short, the disks are checked for availability, power supplies, also the cluster node is checked for capacity falling below configurable threshold, and also new events that are checked every 10 minutes. Plenty of performance counters are collected from the nodes and from the disks. The most important are CPU utilization, like shown on the screen, node capacity, available, total, and used, disk throughput or network throughput, as well as the file share protocol. As for the counters that are collected for disks, the most interesting would be time average in milliseconds, or time in queue, or used capacity. Several tasks are made available if you do select one of the cluster nodes, like for instance list events. You have the task available using LocalDB or the MasterDB. Also list running jobs, for instance. Or show all hardware monitor items status. For a quick test of the monitoring, we can issue the following command on one of the cluster nodes, and soon after an alert is raised capturing the event. I will also demonstrate another failure scenario where on one of the cluster nodes I will select one of the disks in bay 2 and I will smart fail. Soon after, an alert is triggered showing that there is an issue with the disk in bay 2. This concludes my short demonstration of the EMC Isilon Management Pack. For the latest updates, please visit our website infrontconsulting.com. Thank you very much.